Welcome back to another Dollar Tree review. Today we're going to be reviewing the Sassy+Chic Makeup Vanishing Towel. It says there's no soap needed. This is how it comes packaged. It also has like a plastic wrap on top of it. And basically it is just a towel. Very soft. And here are the directions. To use this, it's really easy and simple. I was actually really blown away by how well this actually works. The first thing you want to do out of the package, you can wash this if you would like. You can use it straight out of the package if you would like. It just depends on you. You want to run your towel under warm water, squeeze and to remove the excess water. And then you want to gently rub and massage over face to remove all of your makeup. In this demo, you're going to see that I literally just have this wet makeup eraser towel and I'm just going over my face. It's removing a full face of foundation, concealer, powders, mascaras, eyeshadows, eyeliners, a ton of product on my face, and I only use this towel. I use the backside to remove all of the makeup, and then as a precaution and finishing touch, I just go over it with the front side. You're also going to see in this demo that after you do this, the next direction it says is then you follow with your nightly skincare routine. You know, do whatever you're used to, but this basically works just like it suggests. It just water, no soap needed. Run this over your face. It is incredibly soft. It is sturdy, and it is easy to wash and take care of. So in this demo review, you're going to see me wash this, and all I do is take a bit of, I get it in the code water. You can machine wash this code if you'd like, or you can wash this by hand, which is what I've done 4 times now. You're seeing this as it's ready for its 5th use, and it's held up that well through 4 other full face makeup removals. And I wash it by hand every single time, and you're going to, after you wash it, rinse it, you want to lay it flat to dry, and it's ready for the next day. It's incredibly easy to take care of. It is still holding up, and it's ready for use 5, like I said. And I just take a bit of dish soap after getting it wet and just kind of go like this in the water and rinse all the product out, and I wring it out. And surprisingly, the soap doesn't linger in the towel. It squeezes and rinses very easily, very quickly, and you are done. Overall, I'm incredibly impressed with this makeup eraser. It works better than the makeup remover towels that I have that cost more than $1. I definitely want to purchase some more of these for myself. I definitely recommend this product, and I thank you guys so much for watching. It was a fast, quick review, but this thing is amazing, and I hope you enjoyed the demo and the review. Stay tuned for more videos. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree reviews. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any other comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you're not already. Check the description box for additional links. And thank you so much for watching.